Hi guys, welcome to my channel SAP Lobby. Today we'll discuss on the heuristics in PPDS. So if you did not subscribe my channel, please subscribe. So before we discuss the heuristics, first let me give the overview of PPDS. PPDS is the production planning and detailed scheduling. So it was in part of the advanced planning optimizer, but now it is being embedded in the SAP S4 HANA. So when some critical products which are produced at the bottleneck resources, in that case to do the planning of such product, generally we need to use the PPDS. So it can optimize your planning. Now, what is heuristics? Heuristics is the planning functionality in the PPDS. In PPDS, you can use this heuristics. So heuristics have some algorithm, one algorithm and with some control parameter. Algorithms with control parameter. So technically, that those algorithms are called as uh, function module. Okay, so with those standard algorithm and with different control parameters, we can also create our own customized heuristics. So SAP has given the many heuristics on different area, like production planning and mixed planning. And so in different area it has given for the repetitive manufacturing, for discrete manufacturing it has given the heuristics, and for service, to optimize the resources and operations, reschedule of operations, for different functionality of area the SAP has given the heuristics. But still, if business require to create their own heuristics, they can use this standard algorithm and they can use the different control parameter based on the business requirement. Okay, and these heuristics can be run. This can be used to run for interactive planning and also the background planning. For both, we can run this planning function. Now, what are the types of heuristics? So basically heuristics are two types. One is product heuristics, another is service heuristics. So product heuristics generally being run to to do the procurement planning of the product after a some planning relevant events. Suppose some planning relevant event happened. After that, if you want to do the planning of that product, procurement planning of that product, in that case you can use the product heuristics. And production planning heuristics also to use to do the planning of product, but this heuristics, like if you like this one, like MRP 001, SAP underscore MRP 001. So this is the production planning heuristics, but it comes under the services heuristic, because along with procurement planning, it also do the generate the alert logs and parallel processing, packaging things. So it do the those accomplish those tasks also, those planning tasks also. That is reason this SAP underscore MRP underscore 0 also comes under the service heuristics. So service heuristics basically do do the change in priority and delays on fixing up pegging requirements. So such type of functionality being carried out by the service heuristics. So in this under service heuristic, like SAP PP008, SAP PP009, SAP PP010. So in coming slide, we'll discuss more on this different types of heuristics. But basically, these are the based on this their functionality, it has been categorized as a product heuristic and service heuristics. Okay. Now product heuristic. So here, like suppose SAP PP SAP underscore PP underscore 002. So this heuristics basically used for the normal planning according to the lot size of the product master. And SAP PPSBC. So SAP PPSBC, that is for it create the planning proposal for when there is for shortage quantity. So it did not change or impact any existing plan order, but only for new shortage it create the plan orders. Okay, and see this SAP PP0004. So this is for planning for with lots, various lot size with for the three horizons, three horizons, and 007 basically for reorder point planning. SAP underscore PP SAP underscore PP underscore 007, that is basically for the reorder point planning. And SAP underscore PP underscore C001, this one is for when you have the continuous input input consumption and input issue and output good receipt, issue and good receipt, continuous input and output good receipt. So in that case we can use this SAP PP underscore C001. So we can take the example of repetitive manufacturing. So in case of repetitive manufacturing we can use this heuristics. So suppose if I take give an example, suppose you want to produce the 1000 quantities of product, but you can't produce 1000 quantity within one day. So that you can produce only 200 per day, means so same product you have to run till 5 days and 200 every day. So every day there should be some good old component will be consumed and some product will be received. So consumption and receipt will happen for the same product till 5 days. So in that case you can use this heuristics. Okay, so that is the continuous input and output. Okay, then these are the optimizing, like suppose we say SAP PP underscore 005. This also used for planning of procurement planning of the product, but by considering the setup and storage cost. So it considers setup and storage cost. That's why it comes under the optimizing procedures. And SAP PP06, that is basically for the external procurement, planning of external procurement, but here also it consider the this one storage cost and setup cost. And this SAP SAP underscore PP underscore 006 and SAP underscore 013, those are quite similar. Okay, so these are the for the optimizing of the lot sizing procedures. Now next is about the production planning heuristics for production planning. So that is SAP underscore MRP underscore 001. So this is being used to plan the individual product. So it is like we can say plan a components according to lower level codes. Plan according to the low level codes. Means what will happen? First it check the low level component situation. Accordingly it create the procurement planning of the product. Suppose the dependent requirements are unable to deliver in time, in the requirement time, then it create a delayed receipt or procurement element for the product. Okay, and this SAP underscore MRP 002, actually this is not in the current, it is not in the S4 HANA. Okay, so in that case we can use this one, the SAP PP underscore SBC. So this one it will not impact the existing plan order. This SAP underscore PP and underscore SPC, this heuristic do not impact the existing plan order, but it will create the proposal for the shortage quantity. Now next is service heuristics. So service heuristics, basically as I told you in previous slide, this is basically to do the change the priority of orders and to change or fix the pegging requirement, pegging. Even it can also some heuristic can also to delete the pegging. So first this one. So here like SAP PP008. So it will be come from bottom to top. So it will reschedule. Reschedule the dependent requirement to address the to get the according to align with the delivery date of the product, final product. Okay. So here like this heuristic being used for when in general in case of repetitive manufacturing, like where you have the continuous for the same product you have the continuous issue and receive, input and output. In that case you can use this one, SAP PP underscore 008, and SAP PP underscore 009 is for discrete manufacturing. So here also it reschedule the dependent requirements to address the requirement of the final product. Okay, and so there is no new receipt created. And 00010 SAP PP 010, it reschedule the receipt. So it to cover the requirement, so it reschedule the receipts. So it like top to down. So to as per the dependent requirement, it reschedule the receipts. Okay. Then SAP PP underscore 019. So it fix the pegging relationship. Like you have the sales order and you have the plan order. So tag the plan order with the particular sales order as per the based on the delivery date. So those pegging relation. So this heuristic help to fix that pegging relationship. And 011, so SAP PP 011 to delete that pegging relationship. Okay, and 012 to adjust the plan order priority. Like if you take example of suppose plan order have so generally plan order do not have the priority, sales order have the priority. But when a plan order tagged to the sales order, that priority of sales order transferred to the plan order. But in later on because of some situation, if you want to assign or change that assignment from change that pegging and assign that plan order to the other sales order, you assign to other sales order, and that other different sales order have the different priority, and you want to change that priority of plan order according to the that new later on sales order, then this heuristic will change. This heuristic will help to change that priority of the plan order. Okay, and 018 it create the requirement as per the safety stock. Okay, and last one is for lower level codes. It will be calculate or staging. It will calculate for the lower level components. Okay. So this is about the service heuristics. So here also I explained some heuristics like SAP PP 009, how to reschedule. Okay, so like this reschedule the dependent requirements from assembly or component to covered by receipts. Accordingly, associated planned order of FG also shifted. Okay, and SAP PP 010 reschedule the top down. So here so they can cover the to reschedule the receipts. So this 010 reschedule the receipts. Okay, so so that they can cover the later requirement when the dependent requirement for assembly components are shifted, and the associated plan order at assembly level also shifted. Okay, and 019 011 those are being create or delete the pegging relationship collectively, and 012 is to adjust the priority of the plan order. Okay. Now next is configuration. So in the in S/4HANA, and there is one node advanced planning. Okay, advanced planning. Under advanced planning, there is heuristics. So in here under heuristic you can maintain these heuristics. So these are the standard heuristics. So if you look at, these are the algorithms. Okay, so for different heuristics there are different algorithms. Okay, and those are also called as the function module technically. Okay, and if you business, as per business requirement, you can customize also new heuristics. And if so, this is one example I tried to show here. So this is the standard heuristics. So if you look at, this is the algorithms and this is the parameters. So different heuristics have different algorithm have different controlling parameter. Okay, so different controlling parameters are there, and in you can assign the heuristics in the production in metal master also. Okay, so if you are assigning in the metal master, then when you run the planning for a particular product, it will took from your that heuristics, consider that heuristics. So this is this is one transaction in the PPDS. Here we can run the production planning interactive. You can create run the interactive plan. So we can do the background. So for background, different transaction. For interactive, this is transaction. So here you can put whatever heuristics in sequence, whatever heuristic you need based on the how you want to do the planning run. Okay, you can put the heuristics and you can put the profiles. Okay, so profile and heuristics you can put. So there are different steps. If you put those and run, then accordingly stepwise it will you use the heuristics and run and do the give the output. Okay, so this is all about the heuristics and how, what are the difference. I tried to explain the overview of heuristics and how it is configured, but there are many things are there, but as much as possible try to cover. But in future I will try to cover more, and I will try to show the demo in the system. Hope you understood the at least overview of the heuristics. And if you like this video, please share, like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.